Hey everybody, this is my emergency exit. When things get really bad inside this trailer and you need to get out in a hurry and you can't get to your door for whatever reason, this is your emergency exit. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to give you a few tips and show you some things you probably don't know about it. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Here we go. In your RV, we have lots of safety features. I have two doors, a door in the kitchen area and a door in the master bedroom area. We have fire extinguishers, we have smoke alarms, and we have carbon monoxide detectors. But one thing most of us neglect, forget, and don't experiment with is our exit window, our emergency exit window. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how it works and why you need to practice it, at least open and close it, take the screen off and get a feel for how it works. So just in case there is an emergency, you're ready to get out. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, this is our emergency exit in case we can't get out through one of the doors. And it's really a pretty simple concept, but I think you need to give it a try once just to make sure you understand what's really going on. First of all, you got your window. This is how we normally open it. This is how we normally just get a cool breeze in. But the next most important thing, because you see the red handle, you see the red exit sign on the window, and we got this red tab here. What this tab does, it pulls the screen out very easily. Okay? So that allows us access to the window. And this window slides all the way out and opens all the way up. So in the case of an emergency, what you would do is you would get on your belly, go feet first out, and then drop to the ground. It sounds real simple, but you know what? I'm not going to do it because I'm 67 years old and I'll have bumps and bruises and I'll be sore for 2 weeks if I do it. But I'd be alive just in case there was an event or an emergency that I had to get out quickly. Now, the other thing you need to know is this screen, it's held on with these little clips. And they're a little bit different than our other windows with their screens. So, but the way you put this on is you just slide it up in here. And there you go. And we're back to a regular window. Now, depending on what type of RV you have, you may have a different type of emergency exit, but they all work basically the same. You unlatch it with the red handles, you pull the screen out, and you exit feet first. And that's what we do. So I know we talk about smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors, and we talk about fire extinguishers and fire blankets, but a lot of times this emergency exit gets overlooked. And I thought this was an important thing for everybody to know about. Well, I'm Chuck with Lake to Lake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It sure would help my channel. Till we meet around the campfire. You all take care now. Bye-bye.